How are you feeling tonight, Mutiara 6?
I feel nervous and overwhelmed because this is my first time joining in pageant.
But you look so good on stage, like it's not your first time, really. And before tayo magsisimula, pwede ba natin medyo ilapit yung mic para marinig ang mga judges? Kasi baka, nabata pa man ang mga judges natin. Ready na sa imong question? Ay, pasalamati sa ang aming pasalamatan. Kaya bilang na kay ka-supporter ka.
I would like to thank my supporters, friends, and especially my family and relatives.
Alright, please pick your paper. Your question, with your first thing is this. What is the most significant challenge facing the youth today? What is the most significant challenge the youth is facing today?
Go! Dali!
I believe that the most significant challenge facing the Filipino youth today is not just the struggle to find identity and purpose in an increasingly digital and fast-paced world, or the lack of access to quality education, or even the lack of job opportunities. But it is the absence of strong political guidance and genuine representation. Without leaders who inspire, mentor, and empower them, many are left feeling disillusioned and disconnected from the future of our country. But I believe that the Filipino youth are not just the hope of tomorrow. They are the leaders of today. Because when the youth are politically aware, socially responsible, morally grounded,